je,
I,
il,
he,
elle,
she,
il, elle,
they,
qui,
who,
tu, vous,
you,
viendrez,
will come,
parlerez,
will speak,
penserez,
will think,
regarderez,
will look,
donnerez,
will give,
travaillerez,
will work,
appellerez,
will call,
écrirez,
will write,
lirez,
will read,
partirez,
will leave,
cuisinerez,
will cook,
commencerez,
will start,
entendrez,
will hear,
arrêterez,
will stop,
apporterez,
will bring,
tiendrez,
will hold,
suivrez,
will follow,
payerez,
will pay,
ferez,
will make,
ouvrirez,
will open,
gagnerez,
will win,
fermerez,
will close,
offrirez,
will offer,
vendrez,
will sell,
achèterez,
will buy,
irez,
will go,
dormirez,
will sleep,
blesserez,
will hurt,
rirez,
will laugh,
pleurerez,
will cry,
mangerez,
will eat,
boirez,
will drink,
reposerez,
will rest,
couperez,
will cut,
envoyerez,
will send,
recevrez,
will receive,
jouerez,
will play,
conduirez,
will drive,
exerciserez,
will exercise,
bougerez,
will move,
doucherez,
will shower,
aimerez,
will like,
prendrez,
will take,
le ferez,
will do it,